Claudia Maria. I'm here with Caroline. I came from Spain. Hello. So here we are. I've been cooking here at the store. This is my Afro-Brazilian meal. I'm going to be making something with yucca flour here that's called farofa. I'm making a moqueca that's going to comprise shrimp and fish, coconut milk, and red palm oil, which is a very intricate part of African culinary. And we have rice, we have okra that we cook down for a while, like half an hour to make it a little crispy on the outside. So that's what we're doing.
Now, what's behind you there?
Yeah, so the fish is going to be incorporated in this. We're going to use coconut milk. So it's all going to be an alchemy, like this alchemy of delicious flavors, hopefully.
And where are we?
We are in Paris, no less. And if you move over here with the camera, you can see the Eiffel Tower. And there it is. I have yucca flour from Africa. I'm going to put the flour in here. This is what yucca flour looks like. It comes in different forms. The ingredients are Brazilian, African. We have cashew nuts coming into here. We're going to cook down the onions, and you're going to see what farofa. It adds texture. You need texture to the meal. Whoa!
All this butter.
It's
yeah.
Hey, we're in Paris. Gotta have butter.
Gotta have butter.
Yeah.
Normally, I cook the fish in the sauce, but I actually liked searing it now, cooking it in this little gizmo that I bought in IKEA. Isn't it fun? Cooking is like transforming something that is not yet done into something beautiful that we can eat and nourish us, our mind, our soul, and our body. Yeah? Farofa, some of you know what that is. It's the stuff that makes life even more beautiful. There you go. Lots of rice.
Just need to serve up the rice. Put out the dish.
Long grain rice. For African Brazilian food, there's no basmati, none of that. It has to be long grain rice.